my stars, and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a branch of cherry blossoms just in time for spring. Perfect for spring. So lovely. These are the colors that you'll be needing. Some light pink, some yellow, some brown, paper, a pencil, and your fingers. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag #fingerpaintingstar for your chance to shine as our artist of the week. Let's begin. All right, dipping into the pink, I'm gonna actually make 5 dots. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm gonna do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I'm going to do is just kind of pull those together. Boop, boop. Like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cherry blossoms have 5 petals. So if you think about it like that, it's going to be very easy to make something very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's throw another one here. And you can make as many flowers as you want. You can just put flowers all over your page, but I'm going to add a branch. I just think this is a really simple but cute way to do a nice spring painting. I'm gonna go in actually with the yellow now, and I'm just gonna throw a couple of dots in the centers of our flowers. Because cherry blossoms have these really lovely pollen bits in the center. That way we can see that it's definitely flowers. You might want to make your flowers a little bit closer together. I made some a little bit further out, but I think I like this one the best. Okay, so there we go. We've got a little bit of some pollen in our flowers, make it look a little bit more like a flower. And I'm gonna take our brown and I'm just gonna kind of make a little tree going in between. So just kind of throw a little line. And a little bit. See? It's easy. You just think in your mind, what does this look like? What does this look like? And it's just gonna start happening. Now when we make branches, gotta think it's gonna be a little thicker down here and a little bit thinner up here. So you can use the side of our finger. If you have a fingernail that you wanna use, you can use that as well. Let's try my thumb. You don't think of a thumb being a good painting tool, but thumbs are pretty great. They're also really good at getting nice crisp edges because you're used to holding your thumb at an angle. So there we go. We're getting some branches. You just draw kind of like little branchy things in between. Whoop. Don't overthink it, just let it come, let it happen. Like so. Okay, maybe I'm gonna actually add one more color. I'm gonna throw a little bit of green on my palette. And I'm just gonna throw a couple leaves on. Just touch. And I'm just gonna stick my finger down and pull away. Finger down, pull away. Throw another one there. Boop. So much of painting is just using your imagination and how do you see it? I mean, abstracts, that's abstracts for you. Ooh, make that one a little thicker. Let's give him a little one on that side too. Maybe throw a couple little leaves on our tree branches elsewhere, like so. Okay, so one more right here. Boop. See, you can cover up the brown too. You don't have to. Just make it your tree, your world. Ta-da! There you have it. There is my quick cherry blossom just in time for spring. I hope that you enjoyed painting with me today, and until next time, sending you lots of love.